Hello everyone, today we will be looking at Breakcold CRM, a powerful customer relationship management tool designed to help sales teams streamline their sales processes, manage customer interactions, and enhance prospecting efforts. With its intuitive interface and advanced features, Breakcold CRM allows businesses of all sizes to manage their leads, track communication, and automate various sales activities. This tool is especially beneficial for sales teams looking to improve their productivity and organization, as it provides a centralized hub for managing customer data and interactions. One of the key features of Breakcold CRM is its prospecting automation. Sales representatives can easily identify, reach out to, and nurture potential clients with automated workflows and personalized communication. This feature saves time by eliminating manual prospecting tasks while ensuring that no leads fall through the cracks. The CRM's automation tools allows users to set up email sequences, schedule follow-ups, and track engagement, all while keeping communication consistent and personalized. Breakcold CRM is also designed to help sales teams collaborate more effectively. With its team-based features, users can share notes, update statuses, and work together on the same deals in real time. This collaborative environment ensures that everyone on the team is on the same page and has access to the latest information. Additionally, the CRM offers detailed reporting and analytics tools that helps businesses make data-driven decisions. Sales managers can track the performance of their team, identify trends, and optimize their sales strategies for better results. Another standout feature of Breakcold CRM is the integration capabilities. The platform integrates with various third-party tools, including email marketing platforms, calendar apps, and productivity tools, making it easier for businesses to connect their existing workflows and systems. These integrations enhance the overall functionality of Breakcold CRM, allowing users to seamlessly synchronize their data and ensure that everything works together smoothly. In 2025, Breakcold CRM continues to evolve with the latest advancements in technology, providing users with an intuitive and efficient tool for managing their sales pipelines. Whether you are a small startup or a large enterprise, Breakcold CRM is designed to help you optimize your sales process, improve customer relationships, and ultimately close more deals. With its easy-to-use interface, robust automation, and powerful reporting tools, Breakcold CRM is a top choice for businesses looking to streamline their sales and prospecting efforts. Getting started with Breakcold CRM. Before diving into the advanced features, it is important to set up your account and understand the basics of Breakcold CRM. 1. Creating an account. Visit the Breakcold CRM website and sign up using your email. Choose a plan that fits your business needs. Free or paid options available. Complete the onboarding process by filling out your company details. 2. Setting up your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your leads, tasks, and recent activities. Customize the dashboard by adding widgets and filters for a personalized view. Managing contacts and leads. A strong CRM relies on effective contact and lead management. Breakcold makes it easy to import, organize, and track leads. 1. Importing leads. Upload CSV files with contact details or sync with LinkedIn and email contacts. Use the built-in data enrichment tool to gather additional information on leads. Breakcold automatically segments leads based on interactions and engagement levels. 2. Organizing contacts. Categorize leads into groups such as potential customers, current clients, and lost leads. Assign tags and custom fields for better organization. Use filters to quickly find leads based on status, industry, or last interaction date. 3. Tracking lead progress. Update lead status as they move through the sales funnel. Add notes, reminders, and tasks to ensure follow-ups are never missed. Use activity timelines to review past interactions and plan future outreach. Automating sales outreach. Breakcold CRM comes with powerful automation tools that help save time and improve efficiency. 1. Email sequences. Set up automated email sequences to nurture leads. Personalize messages using dynamic fields like name and company details. Monitor email open rates and responses to refine your strategy. 2. LinkedIn and social media outreach. Connect your LinkedIn account to send personalized connection requests. Automate social media touchpoints like comments and messages. Track engagement levels to identify the best performing outreach strategies. 3. Follow-up reminders. Schedule follow-ups based on lead activity. Get notified when a lead engages with your email or profile. Use preset templates for quick responses. Integrating Breakcold CRM with other tools. Breakcold CRM integrates with various third-party applications to enhance your workflow. 1. Email and calendar sync. Connect Gmail, Outlook, or other email providers. Schedule meetings directly from Breakcold. Sync tasks and reminders with Google Calendar. 2. CRM and sales tools integration. Integrate with Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive for seamless lead management. Use Zapier to connect with thousands of other apps. 3. Lead enrichment and data tools. Connect with tools like Clearbit and Hunter.io for better lead data. Automate lead scoring based on activity and behavior. Analyzing sales performance. To improve your sales strategy, Breakcold provides analytics and reporting features. 1. Sales dashboard. View real-time sales performance metrics. Track outreach success rates and conversion rates. Identify high-performing lead sources. 2. Team performance tracking. Monitor team members' activity and productivity. Assign goals and measure progress over time. 3. Custom reports. Generate detailed reports based on lead engagement and sales outcomes. Export reports for team meetings and strategy planning. Best practices for using Breakcold CRM. To get the most out of Breakcold CRM, follow these best practices. 1. Keep your CRM updated. Regularly update lead information and status. Remove outdated contacts to keep data clean. 2. Leverage automation. Use email sequences and follow-up reminders to stay on top of outreach. Automate repetitive tasks to save time. 3. Personalize your outreach. Avoid generic messages. Customize emails and LinkedIn interactions. Use lead data to craft relevant conversations. 4. Analyze and improve. Review analytics to identify strengths and weaknesses in your sales process. Adjust strategies based on data-driven insights. Conclusion: Breakcold CRM is a game-changing tool for businesses seeking to streamline their sales processes, improve customer relationships, and optimize prospecting efforts. With its user-friendly interface, automation capabilities, and robust analytics, Breakcold CRM provides sales teams with tools they need to work more efficiently, stay organized, and achieve better results. Another major advantage of Breakcold CRM is its seamless integration with other business tools and platforms. Whether it is email marketing, calendar apps, or project management tools, Breakcold CRM ensures that all aspects of the sales workflow are connected. And that is all there is on Breakcold CRM tutorial and walkthrough. Streamline sales and prospecting with ease in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.